Well, here's Tony with a new product that'll turn your Honda Civic into a street racer.
As a styling job, the Honda Civic hatchback looks nice enough, and there are many who think that it's one of the best small car designs in the world. Well, that may be so, but there are lots of them around, and some owners like to drive a model with a little individuality. One way to make your Civic stand out in a crowd is to fit a bodywork modification kit like the Silhouette, built by Performance Styling of Richmond, BC. Kits like this usually include a front air dam, side skirts and a rear valance. The effect of the new panels can be enhanced with a set of cast alloy wheels, which may be body colored to match the car. You can also choose a variety of graphics, and these are striking and neatly applied, if not particularly to my taste. My view is that modified bodywork like this looks at its best with a monochrome paint job to unify overall design. Performance Styling manufactures these panels to a very high standard. The glass fiber is hand-laid up, and technicians take a great deal of care to ensure there are no weak areas or surface blemishes. When a spoiler is carefully removed from its mold, it's almost ready for the car, but again there's lots of hand finishing to produce the best possible quality. The company works closely with customers to meet their needs, which may include other performance upgrades in addition to bodywork. These nifty body mods are often supplemented by suspension improvements, performance exhaust systems, and even leather-trimmed Italian steering wheels. Performance Styling specializes in Hondas and produces body kits for Civics, Preludes and Accords of various model years. A basic kit for a Civic hatchback costs just under $1,500, and installation with full paint matching will run about $700. You can reach Performance Styling at number 3, 12880, Bathgate Way, Richmond, BC, V6V 1Z4. Or you can call them at area code 604-273-7675. Well, you can call me a boy racer if you like, but I just love all that stuff. Now here's Ted with his viewpoint for this week.
Well, here we go again. Another North American car executive taking a swipe at the media. This time it's Chrysler chairman Bennett E. Bidwell, who blames the press for Chrysler's declining sales and their problems with the UAW. We are, says Bidwell, more interested in scoops than truth, and he labels anyone that cooperates with us as malcontents, traitors, and scum. Isn't it funny how these guys blame everybody but themselves for their own problems? Guys like Bidwell think nothing of laying off thousands of workers, but get completely unglued when the press catches wind of it. If there's an adversarial situation between management and labor, it's a direct result of the attitudes of people like Bennett E. Bidwell. Mr. Bidwell also thinks we lionize the Japanese and have given up on domestic car makers. I've said this before and I'll say it again. We don't care who makes the best cars. We judge them on their own merits. And right now the Japanese are ahead of the domestics. You can blame the consumers for that one. Part of the reason North American car makers are in trouble is that they're too busy paying outrageous salaries to the likes of Bennett E. Bidwell and not paying attention to their own workers. It's not a matter of country of origin. It's a matter of attitude.
Well, we hope you enjoyed the show. Next time we go to